Hello guys, so let me show you guys my first ever quant projects, and I just did it. As you can see, I'm really sleepy, but I just wanted to show. I was so excited to show someone that I did this. Okay, so what we are doing is we are just implementing a simple buy and hold strategy. As the name suggests, we just buy a stock and we just hold it for a really long period of time, and we sell it and see what the returns we get. So first we are going to use Yahoo Finance to get the data, because I wanted to learn how to like get real-time data. I tried using Alpaca API, but something went wrong. It was showing the Tesla price to be $1,000 in 2021. I don't know what happened to that. So we just use that and we first put in our symbols. So we'll be looking at Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Tesla, and start date and end date, and we're like blah blah blah. And this is to like we will get I don't know if I pulled the whole thing. Okay, so this is what we get, like the whole thing, like open, high, low, close, mid, and this. But we only need is uh, the symbol and the date and the price. That's the whole thing we need, like the close price or open price, up to you guys. So that's what we are doing in this part. And after we have our data frame finally ready, so we can start our simple implementation. So the next thing we are going to do is select the amount that you want to invest. So I'm going to select $10,000, and then total investment is equal to invest initial investment into this is like the number of columns that our data frame have. If like we invest, simple means we invest $10,000 in number of stocks that are in our data frame. So in this case, $50,000 in because of 5 stocks, and then we take in the first day price of all the stocks and store it in this frame, and then we just divide the stocks bought by initial investment, so we can see our stock bought now. Like for Apple, we bought 58 stocks out of our $10,000, and same for everything else, blah blah blah. And we can see the current value, so I created the current value frame so we can see our value changing each day. So yeah, it was at $10,000 for all of them at the start, and you can see all the changes here, blah blah blah. But we are not going to read this, are we? So we just see the final value. Uh, we just take the last column from this thing, and then we can do plus minus, simple plus and addition and subtraction to see our profits for each of the stocks after almost 5 years. So we got 3,000 for Apple, 5,000 Amazon, 5,000 Google. Highest is Microsoft, surprisingly, and then the lowest is Tesla. That's also surprising, but not that much when we get a look at the figure later. And now we plot a figure, so just matplotlib, simple figure size and everything that we want to put in, X label, Y label, and just plot the current value dot index and current stock and the level stock. So you can see all the stocks. So now we should read the stock, like what happened, why is our return like this, and what are all these dips in the market. So this is the first dip is around 2023. This is when the COVID hit and everyone went into lockdown, so you can see all the stock price fell down, and Tesla fell off the most. And then you can see again this hit. I think this is the hit from when Trump won the election in USA. So all of a sudden, like Tesla shot up and everything else also shot up. And again, Tesla keeps on showing this big up and downs. And I think this one from Tesla is when Elon and Trump just recently had a fight about it, and Elon telling that he will form his own party and stuff. So it just fell down again. And Microsoft and each of the other ones are going good. Yeah, that was the whole project for this time, and you can see our portfolio performance. So this was our initial investment around $50,000, and it went up and down because of COVID, and it went up. This sudden boost because of Trump, and it stabilized and is going up again. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. I will be posting more complex projects as I do them. So I've just started. So this was one of those projects, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. And the code is available on GitHub if you want to take a look at it, or you can just ask ChatGPT. It might create this for you quicker. But if you want to learn it, try to do it yourself. You'll understand how to pull in data and how to change the data frame to as you like. And plotting is simple, but those two things are really important. Like getting your data properly, using the API, and just matching the data frames to as you want it. And the rest is like simple implementation. So in each of the strategy, the first 2 point may be same. At least the first part of API selection would be same. The only part that will differ as we go on to more complex things is this part. Where is it? This part, the initial investment will be the same and everything else will be the same, but at the end of, we will have much complex part in this, like we will buy and sell it as we go, depending on situation that we put in the program. And yeah, I'm really excited to do that next. Thank you. Any tips, any good project do you think I should do? Please let me know. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.